Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with alloy rims. We also have our black leather interior, heated and vented seats, panoramic sunroof, heated steering wheel, and backup camera. Now moving on to the interior, we can take a look at a few of the interior features. On our door panel, we have some soft touch foam, as well as our door handle, memory seat option, window and mirror controls. Then we have our infinity speaker system, a gas filler cap release, and storage. Side of the seat, we have our power seat adjustment. We also have lumbar support controls. And then off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our lighting settings, hill descent assist, and traction control, active eco mode, heated steering wheel option, differential lock, and blind spot detection. On the wheel, we have the Hyundai badge in the middle, radio controls off to the right, or off to the left, I should say. Then off to the right, we have our cruise control and controls for the odometer screen. We have a push start, infotainment screen. You can see we have our radio options selected now. We have also a CD player above. We also have phone connectivity and navigation. Below we have our climate controls and settings, charging outlets, then our gear selection stalk with heated and cooled seat options off to either side for driver and passenger. We have our park assist, 2 cup holders, padded leather center console lid. Inside of that, we have plenty of storage room. The front seats are featured in black leather with perforated leather in the lower portion. Again, these are heated and cooled. On the rear view mirror, we have our 3 garage door openers, as well as our direction. You can see our remote start there. Sunglass holder, sunroof and moonroof controls, and dome lights. We have a panoramic sunroof and moonroof overhead. Back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Hyundai badge center caps. We also have paint matched mirror caps and chrome door handles, rear privacy tint. Then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Santa Fe Sport 2-liter badging and dual exhaust. Open the lift gates, and inside we'll find plenty of storage room. You can see our Santa Fe badging on a rubber mat. Nice little cover that folds down there. And we have the handles off to either side to fold down at the rear 60/40. Now on to the rear interior. We'll take a look at the rear door panel. We have our door handle, heated seat options for the rear passengers, window switch, close handle, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seat, we have leather magazine holders. Back of the center console area, we have a charging outlet. The rear seats are featured in a 60/40 split bench. And we have a fold-down center seat, which features a padded armrest, as well as we push this button here. A couple of cup holders pop out of the armrest. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Wolfe Cadillac sometime very soon.